city. There are lots of people living. They turn the lights on, use a computer, and start the day with morning coffee, watch a television, cook delicious food, and clean clothes at home. For these many jobs, electric is necessary. Even nowadays, cars are moved by electric. Daily electric usage in Korea in 2010 is about 194,520 kilowatts. With this amount, you can travel Manila from Busan through KTX. When it becomes a year, you can rotate the Earth 23 times. Then, how electric comes to us. Electric is generated in power planets, and they send electric to the city. In this process, there is a special tower. That's power transmission towers. Usually, the towers are built on the mountains, but sometimes they are on the sea. And the tower are important facility to send electric. There are 3 kinds of voltages in transmission towers: 154 kilovolts, 345 kilovolts, and 765 kilovolts transmission towers. Usually, high voltage tower is bigger and taller. To build a tower, foundation work is priority. If towers are built on the mountain, dig the ground first. A telescopic is used, just like an excavator. But it can dig a much deeper hole, and 2 times faster. After that, steel bars are put in the holes. And prepare concrete using a helicopter. But the soft ground like this, special construction is needed. That's RCD construction. Like before, dig the ground first. And put 4 pipes. Fill with concrete and remove pipes when they dried. They become concrete pillars, so they can support a transmission tower under the ground. And first posts are important, because if angle isn't right, the tower cannot be matched on the top. Now it's time to assemble a tower. 1 giant crane is needed to build the tower. Here this site, 345 kilovolts transmission tower is being made. In making transmission tower body, posts are the core part to make them high. And attach diagonal bracings between 4 posts to make it stronger. When height goes up some part, put a rest room on the body. This tower is 100-meter high and 315 tons weight. Ground team's job is also important. They match it, insert it, count it, tighten it, check it. They have to assemble right components in right time. There are about 45,000 components. Several arms are already attached. Workers made arms previously to tower assembly work. Arms hold power transmission line and make distance between the lines and tower body, so people are safe from electric shock. Another team is put into conductor stringing, and they work apart. In transmission section, drum side is close to the first tower, and engine side is in the last. First, connect all towers with wires. In drum side, power transmission cables are released. Each of drums contains 700 to 1000 meters of the power cable. In engine side, they pull the wires. When the power cables are released, they need to pass a machine. We call it tension. Tension control the releasing speed of power cable, so the cables cannot be released at once. Connect the cables to a running board in the beginning. The running board goes through all towers. As using an engine winch, they also can control the pulling speed. Now power cables are connected to all towers. These are insulators devices, and they hold power line. Because they are non-conductor, so electric cannot transfer to the tower body. 4 insulators are sent to each of arms and attach them. Then workers connect power cable to insulators. There are 2 ways. Suspension insulator. In this process, insulators are hang on an arm, and cables don't need to be cut. But in instance of strain insulator, insulators pull and hold the cables, and the cables are cut. So another jump cables are needed. Strain insulator process is under construction. Hang insulators up on the power cable and pull them toward the cable. Workers go to connect the cable, so the cables need to be cut. Compress the cables to hold them strong. As last part, spacers should be attached. Spacer make distance between cables. When workers attach spacers, they use a space car. Attach spacers at intervals of about 40 to 50 meters. Using spacers, we can prevent abrasion of the cable and electrical accident. Now the construction is finished on its big run of 20 months. So the towers will try the best to transmit electric.